Hello everyone. Finally, the UPSC notification. From last 1 month, eagerly the UPSC aspirants is waiting for the civil services examination notification is been out finally today morning. So what are all the information which is provided in the notification I will be discussing now. UPSC notification. UPSC Civil Services Examination for IAS, IPS, IRS posts and Indian Forest Service also 2021 the notification has been out. So your hard work need to be evaluated now. Union Public Service Commission is going to evaluate. Today onwards, the applications will be taken by the UPSC and the final date is 24th March 2020. Usually it will be for 30 days, but now as the notification was been delayed, it is only 20 days time period. So quickly apply now itself. By 24th March 6 p.m. you have to apply online. And the fee detail is 100 rupees for general category, and for SC, ST, women and disabled there is no fees for preliminary examination. And number of posts. The sad thing is the number of posts given by the government of India is 712 posts. And the good thing is the number of posts for the Indian Forest Service is 110 posts. But don't worry, 710 you are aspiring to become an IAS officer or IPS officer means your rank should be within the 300 rank. So the notification was been out. The notification was been out. The number of posts is 712. The number of posts is 712 in Civil Services Examination and 110 in Indian Forest Service Examination. So check your hard work, evaluate yourself with UPSC. And the dates given by the UPSC calendar is prelims exam is going to conduct on 27th June 2021. More 112 days left for your prelims. Nearly 1:12 or 13 will be taken for the mains. For 712 means approximately 10,000 people will be chosen for writing the mains. Only 10,000 people will be writing the mains. Remember this. 9,000 to 10,000 people will be writing the mains. So you have to be in the top 10,000. 9,000 to 10,000 you have to be in this top 10,000. Then only you can write the UPSC mains examination, which will be determining your fate. Mains examination is from 17th of September 2021. Approximately 80 days time is there, not much time is there. So now itself, whatever is your optional, however you prepared for your general studies main, once brush up and kickstart your prelims preparation. Don't neglect, my dear students. So mains examination is from 17th September 2021 and the sad thing again is only 80 days is there, but remember that 80 days is not only for you, 80 days is for everyone. A level playing field. And mains, Indian Forest Service mains examination is going to happen from 21st November. Whoever are writing Indian Forest Service, for them little bit extra time is there. October month and November month. So you can apply for both. After writing the mains examination, you will be having 2 months of time. So leisurely you can prepare for the mains examination of Indian Forest Service. But remember, the Forest Service cutoff will be very high. It will be somewhere around 115, whereas Indian Civil Services Examination cutoff will be somewhere around 105 here and there. 2 marks or minus, plus or minus 105 will be there for the cutoff approximately. So be ready for your mains also. The mains examination for Indian Forest Service is going to be from 21st November and for Civil Services Examination it is going to be from 17th September. Interview expected. This time interviews will not be delayed for 2021. By January 2022 interviews will start. By March they will be completing the interviews. Mostly by April the results will be declared. The day will come, the result day will come. Whether you are an IAS or IPS officer, the information, the result will be given in the month of April 2022. And the Indian Forest Service interviews also happens little bit, only 1 week, 2 weeks they will take to complete the Indian Forest Service interviews. So it will be first week or second week of January, and third week the Civil Service Examinations interview will become. So the people who are going to attempt attempt, they will be very much busy with their mock interviews. So be ready for going to Delhi in the month of January who clear the mains examination. So interview expected date for civil services examination will be from January, February and March. Prelims date, more for prelims, it is left 112 days is left. So kickstart, my dear students, kickstart, be hard, try hard, work hard, no one can stop you, work properly and you can crack the examination. So now it's very quickly, whoever are staying in center, sometimes what happens, if you delay your application form, sometimes the center we cannot get which we chosen. So quickly tomorrow, day after tomorrow, you apply for the civil services examination. Applying is not important. Again, I am telling, working hard is important. Studying is important. So all the best. Thank you.